In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Airbnb listing, providing a full host tutorial to guide you through the entire process. Whether you're updating photos, changing pricing, or modifying the description of your property, these easy steps will ensure your listing is perfectly tailored to attract more guests. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and navigate to Airbnb's website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your host account. This is crucial because only hosts have the authorization to modify listings. If you're not already logged in, click the Login button, usually located at the top right corner, and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, ensuring you're never locked out for long. Once you're logged in, you should see your profile icon, which is typically your profile picture, located in the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture to access a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled either Manage Listings or simply Listings. Click this option to view all the properties you have listed on Airbnb. Next, you'll be presented with a list of all your active and inactive listings. Spend a moment to locate the specific listing you wish to edit. It could help to know the exact name or address of the property if you have multiple listings. Once you've found it, click on the listing to delve into its details. On this page, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side which lists various sections such as photos, pricing, and description. This is where you get to choose the section you want to edit. For instance, if you want to update the photos, click Photos. Similarly, select Pricing to adjust rates, or Description to change the text that potential guests will read. Now it's time to make your updates. Be meticulous as you enter your changes and verify the information for accuracy. Whether you're adding new photos, updating the nightly rate, or refining the description, this is your opportunity to ensure the listing clearly represents your property and entices guests. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you'll notice a Save button often located at the bottom or top corner of the screen. Be sure to click this button to save all your changes. It's a crucial step because failing to save will result in losing all your updates, meaning you'd have to start over. In summary, editing your Airbnb listing is straightforward if you follow these clear steps. Remember, regularly updating your listing helps keep it competitive and relevant, which can significantly improve your booking rates. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.